What's good, family? It's your brother Chef Abdul, and today we're gonna make vegan oxtails. And I want to send a shout out to all my Patreon members and my YouTube subscribers. Now, are you ready for this video? This is just a little trailer. You guys already know how to make rice. I use some black beans from Whole Foods to make this delicious rice. Alright guys, so now as you can see, I got my recipe mix, which will be on my Patreon account, and I will be making an actual full step-by-step video on how to do this. This is just a little video, a little teaser to show you guys what I've been up to. I finally came up with a very good vegan oxtail recipe that I'm showing you guys right now. I already had one, but the one that I had was not gluten-free, so I was able to come together and figure out how I could make this soy-free, gluten-free, and absolutely delicious, guys. Alright, so as you can see, you gotta put this baby away, freeze it, and basically follow the instructions. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna fry our plantains and then flatten them, refry them, as you can see right here, so we could now start frying down our vegan oxtails. Alright guys, so you got to do this method so that it doesn't come apart, as you can see here. Alright, so cook this baby down for like 5 to 8 minutes. So I'm making my little sauce here, guys, and I'm gonna add my oxtails into the sauce, add all my vegetables. You already know you can't make oxtails without the vegetables, guys, so I'm gonna let that saute a little bit, add some of the seasoning that is in the description below, butter beans, you already know. Let this baby simmer for 15 to 20 minutes. Alright guys, and look at how delicious this looks, guys. I look forward to making the actual full video for you guys real soon. Thank you so much for watching, subscribing, and being a part of Vegankingzz family. Alright, so check it out, guys. You got your plantains, your vegan oxtails, black rice, and peas. Peace.